Smartwatch for men and women 88% off. 1.96-inch HD touchscreen and 250 plus personalized watch face. Bluetooth 5.3 call and message reminder. All-day health monitoring. 113 plus sports modes and IP68 waterproof. Multifunctional and warm tips. KEFUYA laptop screen extender 31% off. 14 full HD external laptop portable monitor extender. 1920x1080 resolution. 16 9 aspect ration. 60 Hz refresh rate. 300 nit brightness. Portable dual monitor for laptop comes with every cable needed. 1 asterisk Type-C cable. 1 asterisk USB-C to USB-A cable. 1 asterisk HDMI cable. You just need to connect the travel monitor for laptop via Type-C, HDMI, and USB-A directly without any additional driver download. This second screen for laptop portable provides multiple display modes: mirror mode extension, mode/landscape, and portrait mode.
Microsoft's Mu AI model. Microsoft introduces Mu AI model, powering AI agents in Windows 11 settings to enhance user experience. VSCO's new camera app. VSCO to launch Capture, a dedicated camera app for iPhone with film-style presets, expected to revolutionize mobile photography. Gaming updates. Microsoft's Xbox PC app gets aggregated gaming library with access to titles from third-party stores, expanding gaming options. New smartphone launches. Tecno Spark Go 2 and Vivo T4 Lite 5G launched in India with impressive battery life and camera capabilities. Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event set for July 9, featuring Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 unveiling.
Xiaomi AI glasses. Xiaomi is set to launch its AI glasses on June 26 alongside the Mix Flip 2, promising innovative features. Vivo X Fold 5. The Vivo X Fold 5 has been launched with an 8.03-inch flexible display and a 50-megapixel periscope camera, offering impressive specs. Samsung Galaxy Buds Core. Samsung's Galaxy Buds Core will be available for purchase in India on June 27, providing users with high-quality audio. Dying Light update. The game Dying Light has received a significant update with graphical enhancements, improving the gaming experience. Microsoft layoffs. Microsoft is reportedly planning substantial layoffs at its Xbox division, while investing $80 billion in AI. Intel outsourcing. Intel is outsourcing its marketing to Accenture and AI, cutting in-house staff and marking a significant shift in its marketing strategy. Wireless CarPlay adapter for Apple iPhone 50% off. Samsung Galaxy Buds Core TWS launched in India. Samsung has launched its new Galaxy Buds Core TWS earbuds with ANC and Galaxy AI features, priced competitively in the Indian market. iPhone 16 offer. Apple's iPhone 16 is available at a discounted price of Rs. 68,400 with a cashback offer, making it an attractive deal for buyers. Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 unveiled. Xiaomi has launched the Mix Flip 2 with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, 50W wireless charging, and other impressive features. Anthropic's Claude AI update. Anthropic has introduced a new feature allowing Claude users to build and share AI-powered interactive apps, expanding the capabilities of its AI platform. Senua's Saga, Hellblade 2 PS5 release. The popular game Senua's Saga, Hellblade 2 has been announced for a PS5 release with a 60 FPS performance mode. PS Plus July games. Diablo IV, The King of Fighters XV, and Juicent are coming to PS Plus subscribers in July. Samsung 990 Pro, SSD, NVMe M2 12% off. Apple and Google targeted over AI app. German data protection officials want Apple and Google to remove DeepSeek, an AI app, from the country's app stores due to concerns over data protection. Redwood Materials energy storage business. Redwood Materials has launched an energy storage business targeting AI data centers, aiming to provide sustainable solutions for the growing demand. Tesla earnings and robotaxis. Elon Musk discussed Tesla's earnings, robotaxis, and AI during a recent conference call, also touching on topics like tariffs and cryptocurrency. NVIDIA GTC 2025 updates. NVIDIA unveiled new products and partnerships at the GTC 2025 conference, including the Blackwell Ultra and personal AI supercomputers. New PS5 games 2025. Update Upcoming games include a new Borderlands and Ghost of Yodai, with release dates expected throughout the year. Glastonbury 2025 live streams. You can watch live performances, including Lewis Capaldi and the 1975, on BBC iPlayer or through other streaming services. SANSUI 34-inch curved gaming monitor 15% off. Xiaomi's EV success. Xiaomi's electric vehicle orders are reportedly soaring, potentially challenging Tesla's dominance in the EV market. AI development. Amazon is constructing a massive data center in Indiana to support its work with Anthropic, a leading AI startup. E-waste recycling. Researchers in Zurich are pioneering a new method for recycling rare earth materials from electronic waste. Wildfire monitoring drone. A new rocket drone is being developed to assist in monitoring and managing wildfires. Apple OS unification. Apple is rumored to be working on unifying its multiple operating systems, with the iPad taking a central role in this effort. 8BitDo expands controller support. 8BitDo has updated its Ultimate Software v2, adding support for more controllers on macOS, including the Ultimate 2C wireless, wired, and Bluetooth controllers.